When could feeling sad mean something more? Major depressive disorder, MDD, also known as clinical depression, is a common but serious mood disorder that can affect how you feel, think and handle everyday activities. 1 MDD is one of the most common mental disorders in the United States, with an estimated 16.1 million adults aged 18 or older in the United States experiencing at least one major depressive episode in the past year. 2 If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with MDD, talk to your doctor about what treatment options are right for you and consider using the 5S plan below that could help manage the condition. 5S Plan to Managing Major Depressive Disorders. Share your story. Talking about your experience with MDD can feel therapeutic. Sharing your experience with trusted friends, family members and local or online support groups is a constructive way to help you to build a sense of community. If you feel nervous about sharing your story publicly, writing in a journal can provide a similar beneficial effect. Seek support. Finding a doctor or therapist you trust with whom you can partner to reach your treatment goals is important for managing MDD. A doctor discussion guide can help you to get the most out of discussions with your healthcare provider by providing important questions that help your doctor to determine the best treatment option for you. Save on your medicine. If you are prescribed a medicine and need help paying for it, be sure to check out savings resources that may be available to you. One medicine that your doctor may prescribe to help manage your condition is Seroquel registered Quetiapine Fumarate, extended-release tablets. With the Seroquel savings card, eligible commercially insured patients will pay as little as $3 per month, making their out-of-pocket cost less than the cost of a generic in the class. 3 Simply print or download the card and take it to the pharmacy when you fill your prescription. Terms and conditions apply. Learn more about the Savings Card program at seroquelcoupon.com. Show positive results. Adjusting to a new treatment plan can take time. It's important to keep track of your medications, daily mood and lifestyle factors like sleep, physical activity and how much food you eat. Use a mood tracking journal to keep up with your symptoms and share your progress with your healthcare provider. Say I'm okay. Stop the stigma surrounding mental health issues and show your support for others experiencing the condition by sharing your success story. If you have been prescribed Seroquel as an add-on treatment for MDD and you want to ensure that you receive the brand name version of the medicine, talk with your healthcare provider about what treatment option is best for you.